Ni suwengpa sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko narum chaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma, na asimang na dali Koborrang ko para katinga, katabi chungrang, Garo State Movement Committee GSMC, our National Federation for New States NFS rang, wamang itumanyo bakra pakan aga na nga, nongpo mande saksani manggisi ko na, multi-purpose indoor stadium na pangchakani ruong ko sungido na nga. Chugumugpa Koborrang, Garo State Movement Committee GSMC, our National Federation for New States NFS rang, wamang juma tura o tumna maniko, flag bilga parang na wiatanga, yotok manyo wamang Garole na juma chanji grimaniko dakna maniko mongsunga ni NFS ni Vice President Nukman CH Marak, aga na nga ha. India ni dengtang adok ni mandirang ribae, yotok manyo bakur anggen, ni prakatanga ha. Yotok maniko titing aja playground tura o yajani kuskutari kung at na minga ni julmana prakatanga ha. Arwamang dengtang organization rang ko, bagra pakan nagtamot mulanga, ar plak mandirang ko yadatla tukmani ko nina sakyong nagta bakura na aga nga ha.
On behalf of the Caroline State Movement Committee and NFNS, would like to urge all the leaders that Caroline State Movement Committee is organizing a huge gathering in terms of the Caroline issue in Tura. In view of all this, the separate state demand leaders from entire India are coming to join hand and to cooperate to demanding the Caroline state. As we, the leader of Caroline state, let us steps together without any exclusion on basis of sex, religion, clan, status and qualification. If we steps together, everything is possible. That we likely to handle any obstacles in every circumstances which is blocking in our efforts. So let us, my dear fellow leaders of NFNS, be together in peace and proceed for our land, which we will be hosting a huge gathering at Tura Government College playground at Tajing Aja, Tura, Meghalaya on 29th October 2022. So all the leaders from different social organizations, different NGOs from different backgrounds are hereby welcome to witness the gathering and to support and to work hand in hand to achieve our long-standing demand, long-standing dreams of the people of the Garo Hills. Thank you. Long life NFNS, long life Garoland.
Mijar Robibar Prungo, Nongpo Songdonging Pamande Saksani Mangisiko, NH6 Ramasamo, Cable Chantango Bolok Haisia Komana, Kobunik Tadia Siang Pani Biman Ko Bishnu Kujur Manga, Jenbelsi Kroguk Pungong Achim, Jen Bega Minjini de Pantong Achim Aro, Wamang Paham Si Mo Dung Achim, Siang Pa Mande Auto Rickshaw Salgapong Achim, Arwa Mande Beini Tabulgian Command Gapong Achim. Nukni Mandirang ni Agana ni Gitade, Wanukni Changani Rang Gamayo Naha. Pulis rang manggisi ko Nongpo Civil Hospital Chinarang ha, Aryani Gaman am Sandiani ko dakinga. Law Sultan Jan Milliam Constituency ni Ngonga, wano multi-purpose indoor stadium ko ruknan, pangchakani ruong kos, kutong minister, Shukonet Kesangma, RMLA Hamlet Sintoling, Sonibar Salo Sungido nang ha, ye stadium ko rukat na crochet nikta tangkananggen, Kurbi ko Kelo India ni ongen, aro kurbi ko adok ni skim nikta, tangka ko takchaken ni skutong minister parkatanga ha. Skutong minister ni Jilman na agayani ko dako, ye stadium ko rukat na jol ni mandirang uta bulsirang na, tabi tukke dongachim, aro daaw wamang ni dabianirang ko chusok na, mingani gameno, jol ni mandirang na, aro chadambirang na, patian yung ginok ni skutong minister, aga na nga ha. Chadambirang dengtang kalsusanirang na, tari namat nagata, aro changa sapani kumisok namat nagata, ye stadium ko bukan rekat na bachingat genok ni skutong minister parakatanga ha.
Today we are able to lay the foundation stone after the sanction of rupees 8.7 crores that is being sanctioned for this project, where majority of the funds, 50% will be coming from Khelo India, Government of India's program, and the rest 50% will be coming from the state government's budget. We are hopeful that the work also for this stadium will start very, very soon. In the last 4.5 years, in spite of the challenges that we faced because of COVID and the time that we lost in the meantime, in spite of those challenges, a large amount of work has gone in to take our state forward. And sports and youth issues have always been at the forefront for this government. Whether it is the sports policy, whether it is a youth policy, whether it is the Meghalaya Games, which had not taken place in the last 17 years. It happened twice during the time of this government. Whether it is the Northeast Olympics that is going to start in the next 2 to 3 weeks' time. Whether it's the rewards and the awards that we have been giving to our young athletes who have brought laurels for the state, who used to function and work and practice on their own at their own expenditure. And there was no recognition for them from the government or from anybody. We have started to recognize them. We have started to award them. We have started to support them, create the infrastructure, create the ecosystem, so that they can thrive and they can practice and become better sports persons. All these have happened in the last 4.5 years, in spite of COVID. Our goal is to see that in the coming days, in the coming years, we should be able to produce athletes who will be able to win medals for our state in the national games. We would like to see athletes who will be able to win medals for our nation in the Olympics, in the different Commonwealth Games. That is the mission and the vision and the purpose.
Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing pa sa kanti kon metela.